I did also speak earlier on today to Aslam Merchant. Aslam Merchant is the father of Arbaz Merchant. Arbaz Merchant, a friend of Aryan Khan. Arbaz was in fact found with a small quantity of drugs on him. We spoke to Aslam Merchant, his father, Arbaz Merchant's father, earlier on in the day. Several allegations have been raised on the arrest of key individuals on a cruise ship in Mumbai. Allegations of a larger conspiracy, the involvement of political leaders, also of private detectives. Among those arrested with Aryan Khan, the son of Shah Rukh Khan, is Arbaz Merchant. Joining us now, Aslam Merchant, the father of Arbaz. Thank you, sir, very much for speaking to us. In your son's bail application, you've said that he was in fact framed. How was he framed if a small quantity of charas was indeed found on him?
As you know, I am an advocate.
Right.
And by my professional thing, the matter is sub judice. I am not supposed to quote anything on the matter. I have full faith in the judiciary and I have to respect my profession. In my profession, after Almighty, judiciary is supreme. So let the truth prevail. My son, Aryan, all are innocent. They have been guessed. So the guests are not supposed to come prepared with anything. So the truth has to come out. NCB is very cooperative. The children are cooperating. We're just hoping for the best. But all the days, with every passing minute, the kids are being traumatized. You have to look at the age of the kids. They are delicate darlings. So the sooner, the better. My only request and the prayer to everybody is, let the truth be prevailed ASAP and get them out immediately.
So, Mr. Merchant, let me ask you this. Because this happened yesterday, I mean, it was reported yesterday, it happened earlier. It happened on the day, in fact, that he was taken into custody. There was a BJP leader, Manish Bahushali, who was involved in all of this. He physically handled your son and took him into the NCB office. What is his involvement in all of this?
I am not a politician nor an actor. I would love to remain out of all the aspects. Only prayer is they should come out scot-free. And I would again request all of you, please do not
as the father of a man who is behind bars, who was apparently physically held by somebody who was Manish Bahushali, that's been established, who was apparently a part of the BJP. He's a private citizen. I'm asking you, what role has he had in this entire case?
It's fair injustice to lay a normal citizen like Arbaz or Aryan for the matter to handle it this way. Any political party's involvement is very much uncalled for. They should not be like scapegoats for the political end. So my request to all the political parties involved, please leave the kids away from the whatever motive anybody has. With humble hands, I would just request, please stay away from the kids thing. The mentality, they are being traumatized every single minute. Though they are in good hands of the NCB, but freedom is freedom, behind bars is behind bars. They are under the safe custody of NCB. So please do not involve anything. And if anybody does have a motive, I would again request them to leave it as it is and don't let the kids be the scapegoat.
Thank you. Mr. Merchant, when did this Manish Bahushali interact with your son? Did that take place after he was arrested? On what basis was he involved?
My son is not supposed to speak to me, and the police have been, and the NCB representatives have not given us freedom to speak personally. So I'm not aware of what has transpired. Whatever has transpired in the custody of the NCB officials. They would be in a better position to know, because since the time of 2nd October till now, we have not been given even 5 minutes to talk privately.
Is that legal?
Even now,
is
they
that
will
legal?
be escorted by many people.
So this is important, sir. Is it legal that you have not been given 5 minutes to speak to your son? And as a lawyer, you are representing him. Is that right?
No, my colleague Tariq Syed is representing him. He's a senior and we are
Has
fighting it
he had
together.
a chance to meet your son?
Not yet.
He does
He
not
didn't
have access to the lawyer.
He had access very, very brief, very brief for a minute with NCB officials covering him. But private meeting he has not had as till now, which is against the law. And let's hope for the best that after the applications which my colleague has given to the tender to the court, maybe today he will have some free time and a lot of things might come out in the open ASAP.